action.
Hi everybody, my name is Mary Cope, and I met Romero on a job site. I'm a realtor. That put that punchline in. Romero came out and we talked about what I could do to make my yard a little more usable, a little more fun, and wow, he knocked it out of the park. My yard is totally transformed. I could actually have a wedding here if someone wanted to get married, so it's stunning. He did a great job. I'm very, very happy with the results. So if you need someone to change your yard just because you're tired of looking at it, give Romero a call. Amazing job.
There you go, my friends. So will you recommend us?
Yes, absolutely.
There you go.
Every day.
All right, my friends. Well, you heard it right here in our job. Real customer, real people. You know what it is. Blue Coast, look me up. Check out the video.